Bathing soaps are very essential in our daily life because it protects our skin from various germs and bacteria. But the soaps we are using to clean are actually doing more harm than good. Chemicals in common soaps are no joke. They can disrupt our hormones, promote allergies, leads to reproductive issues and increase the risk of cancers. With serious side effects like this, we need to be particular about what we put on our skin. So in this video, I am going to talk about 10 commonly used soaps which are very harmful and some are okay to use. This video is purely made for educational purpose and it's not intended to abuse any company or brands. Lifebuoy soap will be seen in every household in our country because of its ability to kill germs and bacteria as it's labeled on its wrap. But the chemicals used to make this soap can totally damage your skin in long run. The ingredients used to make this soap can blow your mind. The chemicals which are used in these soaps like thymol, propanol, 2,4-tet-butyl-benzyl, citral and etc. are very harmful for our skin. These chemicals leads to fluid in lungs, impairing fertility in children and adults and leads to potentially serious allergic reactions like rashes, blisters, itchy skin and swollen eyes and lips in long run. And also this soap contains talc, fragrances and other synthetic colors which are very harmful for our body and our skin. Lifebuoy soaps are completely banned in US but not in our India. Lifebuoy soaps are openly sold in our India. So it's up to you to use it or not. And the next soap is Santur, another commonly used soap especially in South India. This soap is vastly used in rural areas due to its reputations in villages. But they don't know the ingredients used in this soap. This soap consists of chemicals like methyl isothiazolinone, etidronic acid and hydrated magnesium silicate which are very harmful for our body. These chemicals lead to lung toxicity, allergic reactions and neurotoxicity and even cancers in long run. This soap also banned in foreign country but openly sold in our country. And the next soap is Dettol. You will see this soap in every 2 homes out of 5 because of its ability to kill germs and protect from bacteria. This is what we see on TV advertisement and what we know about Dettol soap. But this soap consists of ingredients like chloride, sodium salts and chemicals like flumbazole which leads to redness, itching and rashes to our skin. These antimicrobial bar soaps are banned in US by FDA but not in our India. And this soap harms more to child than adults, so it's up to you to use it or not. Chintal soap is also widely used all over the India, but this soap is somewhat safer when we compare to other soaps which we have discussed earlier in this video. I'm not saying this soap is toxic free. This soap also includes chemicals like trichlocarbon which is banned in other countries. This soap also consists of fragrances and other chemicals which are harming more than you think, so think it twice before using it or not. Dove soap is extremely overrated soap in India because of its moisturizing cream which cures your skin leaving soft and smooth. This is what we know about this soap, but we don't know about the ingredients used in this soap. This soap contains very harmful chemicals like methyl isothiazolinone and sodium laureth sulfate and tetrasodium EDTA which are very dangerous when inhaled or when used on our skin. These chemicals leads to developmental or reproductive toxicity, irritation of the skin and eyes and possible mutations and even cancers. You must avoid this soap if you are a vegan because one of its ingredients derived from fatty tissues of cattle. This is up to you to use this soap or not. And the next soap is Rexona. This soap is said to be sourced from natural coconut oils and olive oils, but this soap also includes certain chemicals which are very harmful. The chemicals like methyl isothiazolinone, tetrasodium EDTA and mica and other fragrances and synthetic colors which are very harmful to our skin. The fragrances which are coming from these soaps may smell good, but they are slowly harming our body and our organs. So in my opinion, this soap is somewhat better than other soaps, but my suggestion is to go for handmade soaps which are chemical free and toxic free. Liril soap is said to be made up of lemon and tea tree oil, but when you see the ingredient list of this soap, you will get to know that this soap is also made up of chemicals and fragrances The ingredients like methyl isothiazolinone, amyl cinnamol and perfumes which may harm your skin and your body in long run. So it is up to you to use this soap or not. I am not suggesting to not use this soap and throw away this soap. And the next soap is Lux. I am not going to discuss about this soap deeply because this soap is also made up of chemicals which we have discussed earlier in this video. And the next soap is Mysore Sandal Soap. This soap is said to be made up of purely sandalwood oil, but when you turn this soap and see the ingredient list of this soap, you will get to know that this soap is also made up of harmful chemicals like methyl isothiazolinone, tetrasodium EDTA and etc. And the TFM, total fatty matter of this soap, is 80%, which is considered as not good for our body. And the last and final one is Chandrika soap, which I am currently using. I am not saying that this soap is totally toxic free, but it's not that toxic when compared to other soaps which we have discussed earlier in this video. And my final tip is, or my final suggestion is, to go for any Ayurvedic soap or handmade soaps which will be chemical free and it will be good for your skin and your body. So that's it for the video, guys. I hope this video is beneficial for you. If yes, then please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel and click on bell icon so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching the video.